USA Construction and Painting has been in business for 19 years and serves New York City's 5 boroughs, Westchester County, Long Island, and New Jersey. We are fully licensed, insured, and bonded, and comply with all local laws, including Construction Codes 10 and 11, when dealing with the preservation of our historical buildings and their infrastructure, as well as all landmark preservation requirements. USA Construction and Painting specializes in exterior restoration, concrete restoration, and waterproofing. This includes new roofing and repair using the finest materials under skilled workmanship and expert supervision. USA Construction and Painting is a certified contractor for the Firestone Company. Remember, USA Construction and Painting Incorporated is only one call away at 718-515-6666.